What if I told you that some companies actually pay you money just for owning their stock? Not by selling it, but simply by holding it. In this video, I'll explain what dividends are in the simplest way possible and how investors use them as part of a long-term strategy. This is lesson number 5 in your beginner investing course, and each lesson builds step by step. My name is Jonathan. I've been investing for about 9 years, then this channel is here to help beginners learn investing the smart way. Let's start with a simple question. What is a dividend? A dividend is a payment that a company gives to its shareholders. In simple terms, it's a way for a company to share its profits with investors. If you own shares in a company that pays dividends, you may receive a portion of those profits. Not all companies pay dividends, and dividends are not guaranteed. So the next question is, why do companies pay dividends? When a company makes profits, it has a few choices. It can reinvest that money into the business or return part of it to shareholders. Dividends are one way companies return value to investors. Many companies that pay dividends are more established and stable. Now this brings us to an important concept: dividend versus growth companies. Dividend companies often generate steady profits and choose to share part of those profits with investors. Growth companies, on the other hand, usually reinvest their profits to grow faster. So instead of paying dividends, they focus on expanding the business. Both approaches are valid, they just serve different purposes. Some investors prefer dividends for regular income. Others prefer growth companies for long-term potential. Many investors choose a mix of both. But it's important to understand, dividends are not free money. They come from the company's profits, and the stock price may adjust accordingly. As a beginner, focus on understanding how dividends work, not chasing them. When I started, I didn't fully understand dividends. Over time, I learned how they fit into a long-term investing strategy. So let's quickly summarize. Dividends are payments from companies to shareholders. Companies pay dividends to share profits. Some companies pay dividends, others focus on growth. Understanding this difference helps you make better long-term decisions. If you want to keep learning, make sure to subscribe and follow the full course. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer dividends or long-term growth? In the next lesson, we'll explain what is an ETF. I'll see you there.